All right, gentlemen, I've informed you to leave my property now. We've had a conversation. You've decided you don't want to leave my property at this time. Okay. I don't have to do that, sir. Because I know the law, sir. You're on my property. You're contravening the law now.
Alright guys, this video is a little trippy. The cops come on this man's property and the man asks them to leave. They're gonna have to turn around and walk away. It's important that you guys know your rights. But what's funny about this video is someone passing by or one of the neighbors called the cops on this guy and said he was standing outside in a thong. Check out this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll see you over there on Future Now's channel.
Yes, sir, you were misinformed. As I've informed you, I was wearing a thong, which is a legal garment. I also informed you that I am aware of the law. I wouldn't be standing outside naked, guys.
You cannot be naked.
I wouldn't do such a thing, guys. I have... Well, you were lied to by a sex pervert. Excuse me? Say again? All right. PT Betez, M. Langanier, please exit my property now. Please exit my property, gentlemen. Stop harassing people, gentlemen. You are harassing me. You are now harassing me. Our conversation is over. Do you understand? I know my rights. You guys are running around trampling on people's rights in the name of public health. Get off my property.
Explain why you have to
Please get off my property, sir. We'll continue this conversation when you exit my property.
Yeah, will you identify if you leave the yard? You need to identify yourself.
No, I don't, sir.
Yeah, you need.
No, I do not, sir.
What's the problem? Why you don't want to?
I don't need to, sir. It is within my rights. I do not have to do so. Do you understand me? I am not an ignorant fool. You're an authoritarian creep. Get off my yard.
If you commit an infraction, you need to identify yourself.
Sir, I have not committed an infraction. You have been misinformed. You have false allegations, sir. If you want to continue this, you're going to end up in court on the wrong end of a lawsuit initiated by me. Do you understand, Monsieur Bete? That'll be the way you'll get it. You can exit my property now, gentlemen. Please have a wonderful day and don't harass anyone else.
Not even for $1 million would you find the American Eagle San Joaquin out there standing in a thong. But nonetheless, this man has rights, and he has rights to stand in his own yard wearing a thong. And the cops had no choice but to walk away and do the walk of shame. You guys go subscribe to Future Now. Let them know the American Eagle sent you. I'll see you guys over there.